Welcome!
I
Hindi
know.
lang sa Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Sam. Kamusta naman ang Japan? Yun muna unang gusto kong tanungin sa'yo.
It was
Galing
such a
bakasyon.
It was such a good trip for us. Kasi nga, alam mo naman, December tsaka January ko bawal magpahinga. Actually, November till about January, dire-diretso. So finally, I gotta have a break. We went to Niseko. ESA has been going for about 10 years.
Oh, mas magaling siya?
Magaling siya.
Mag-ski sa'yo?
10 years siya nag-snowboard.
Ganong level? Wow. Pero nakita ko yung speed mo. Ang bilis, ha?
Kasi dinadala niya ako sa tuktok ng bundok. So medyo, there were 3 days na nag-snowstorm na sobrang lala that they had to close
I
the
saw
lifts.
it sa stories mo. But how was
Correct.
it? Kasi ako never ko pa na-try.
It's such a good experience, pero of course, everybody's afraid to do it kasi may learning curve. Diba, syempre pupunta ka doon. Siguro first, we were with some friends who were first-timers. So it takes about 2 to 3 days to, at least get your flow. Tapos
Bago ka matuto.
Oo. Syempre may learning curve.
Pero hindi kailangan mag-take ng like lessons or anything. Meron din.
Meron din.
So hindi ka pa sasabakin ng hindi ka talaga marunong.
Pwede naman. It's really up to you. All the equipment can be rented out.
Okay.
So for those who are wondering or are planning to go on a ski or a snowboard trip, all the equipment, helmet, board, lahat
Yung
na
gear.
re-rent yan. Oo. So if you just want to give it a try, tas may lessons for those who wanna explore kung kaya nyo ba hindi. Ang thing lang, huwag kayo ma-frustrate. Kasi it can get very frustrating.
Mahirap.
Kasi mahirap siya.
Okay. Ano mas mahirap?
tumayo.
Mag-motor or mag-ski?
Or my love? Okay, wait, teka.
Surf or ski? Like, mag-bike or mag-ski?
Parang kinoconnect mo na to sa
Kasi
natin
sabi mo mahirap.
episode natin na-mention mo
Parang
yung
alam
surf
na nila,
ha?
no? Surf. Pero, I mean, anong harder? Bike? Ski?
Biking I think is a lot easier.
Okay.
Um,
Kasi it's all about balancing din right?
Oo. Ang skiing, they say, I haven't tried skiing. I've only tried snowboarding. So hindi ko masasabi kung ano mas madali sa dalawa. Pero
Surfing or snowboarding?
surfing, I've tried probably like 3 times. Siguro mas madali ang surfing.
So, mahirap siya. Guys, nahirapan ako sa surf. Well, di naman super hirap, pero talaga?
Kasi,
hirap siya. And
kailangan
for
mo siya-
ESA to do that ng parang wala lang, wow, ESA, paturo, please.
pero may learning, yun nga sabi ko, talaga
Sabi mo
if
nga
you
10
wanna learn,
years na
kung pagtsatsagaan mo. Sabi nga nila, di ba, if mag-LU ka, for about a month, gagaling ka talaga. Kahit wala kang kaalam-alam sa surfing, wala kang, you don't,
You keep on doing it.
you keep on doing it. There's this saying that goes, if you want to be good at something, you spend 10,000 hours doing it. And chances are you're going to be good at it.
10,000 hours. Parang sa trabaho, if you
Correct.
do it every day, kaya mo na siyang gawin na nakapikit ka. Same with snowboarding.
Sabi nga nila, diba, sa biking, saddle time. Nothing beats saddle time.
Correct.
If you're a driver, nothing beats
Agree.
time in your seat while driving.
yes,
Then you become a
yes.
good driver. I see you're into running lately.
Yeah. But I'm not good at it.
pero-
Huwag kayong mag-expect, guys.
Hindi, pero yun nga.
Nasa zone 2 lang ako lagi because I wanted to lose weight and
Yun yung main goal.
nagtuturo not to run a 42-kilometer
Hindi talaga,
marathon.
kasi parang
No.
You've been joining a lot of runs, so I'm thinking...
Pero it's fun run lang talaga. Like,
talaga?
actually,
Doon sa
hindi ako
fun
yung
part.
fun part lang yung gusto
Okay.
ko. Si Mike naman, he likes joining it kasi he wanted to beat his PR. Yun lang.
Naging
Kung
challenge
baga,
na for
yung
him.
everyday run niya, gusto niya, pag sumali siya doon, dapat PR ko to.
Correct. I had my running
Pero
era.
ako, wala sa utak ko yung 42-kilometer run or 21K. Wala. Parang ako, max ko is 10K.
Farthest-
Now.
Farthest distance mo so far, 10K.
10, yes.
And when I started running back in 2012,
How was it?
my first run
Oh, kasi ngayon, grabe yung running, right?
balik siya. There was a time when it was super booming. I remember this was mga 2011, 2012, Run Rio. They were doing runs every weekend. There's a run here, there's a run there. MOA, wala pa yung mga hotel at that time. It was always in Rojas Boulevard, MOA, BGC.
2012.
Oo. Tapos naalala ko, the first run I joined was a 3K run. Sabi ko, ba't ko gagawin to? Ba't ako gigising na maaga para tumakbo?
For this,
Oo. Tapos, yun, nag-10K ako.
Hanggang sa,
A few
after
10Ks. Hindi naman right after. A few 10Ks after siguro a year. Sabi ko, kaya ko na mag-21. Gusto ko
So,
mag-20.
nag-21 ka?
Nag-21 ako.
Oh, wow.
Tapos at that time, si Rio had 32 pa. Yung parang hindi mo alam kung mag-42 ka.
Actually, ngayon, meron pa rin nun.
Meron pa rin, di ba? Yung Afro-Man distance.
And then I think this coming weekend, may bull runner pa na ganyan, 42.
She's been doing that since even before 2012. Si Jamie Pizarro, the bull runner, ang style niya is she trains people who wanna do a full marathon.
Dahil wala siyang, dun, parang pwede mo siya tapusin kahit gano'ng kahaba for bull runner.
Correct.
Kumbaga kung first time mo magpo-42K, ito yung para sa'yo.
Right.
Kasi I have friends joining na first time. So nag-42K ka na?
Oo.
Wow!
I've done a few marathons
Alam mo
before.
ba't ako amaze na amaze? Lagi kami nag-uusap ng asawa ko. Kasi na-try ko na mag-bike, na-try ko na mag-swim, na-try ko ng mag-yoga, mag-hit.
You get into different things.
And for me, sinabi ko talaga kay Mike, sabi ko, grabe, bilib ako sa mga runners.
Oo.
Iba
rin
siya. No, for me,
ang mental game
sa
ng running, iba.
Ito ang pinaka-mental, iba yung mental, iba siya mentally as in and physically, iba yung pagod.
A lot of people get bored running. So napunta na tayo sa running. Just because yun nga, paulit-ulit siya. Tapos parang you're covering a distance.
That's why iba yung bilib ko sa mga runners. Kasi
Iba.
nga sa bike may free wheel eh. Dito wala.
Saka may konting di ba, maneuvering. You don't know what's next.
Ito talagang paa mo, papaganahin mo. And there are times na parang okay na to. Okay na ako sa 3K, bakit ko naman gagawin to? So mental game talaga siya. Kaya
That is
saludo
so
po
true.
sa lahat ng mga runners, anumang K tinatakbo nyo dyan.
Actually,
But
for
wow, Sam, 42K?
Nagpo-full marathon ako dati. That was mga before I got into car racing, which was 2014. I was doing marathons, I think mga 2012, 2013, ganyan, 2014
So
also.
nainganyo ka ba bumalik dahil sobrang daming into running now?
I haven't actually gone back to running. I run on,
So,
on
naiinganyo
a
ka?
treadmill. Si Esa,
You like running?
I used to
even
like it.
before?
Kasi nag-try ako diba? Nag-try athlon ako before.
Yes. You told
So,
me.
swim, bike, run yun.
Told me, oo.
Ngayon, I'm not sure if I'll go into distance running again. Pero I'm trying different things. And ngayon mas cycling pa rin siguro ako. Nandun pa rin ako sa IRA.
Okay.
But speaking of, na-mention natin yung surfing.
May surfing din, na iba din yung feels nun, guys. If you haven't tried it,
Oo.
iba rin saya yun.
At yung iba, hindi lang water ang sinasurf. May body surfing na tinatawag.
Ha?
Oo, yung body surfing. Yung
Parang di ko pa naman narinig yung body surfing na yan.
couch surfing, narinig mo na.
Yes, couch surfing, ito yung makikitulog ka sa mga hindi mo
Correct.
kilala. Kasi Jinri Park, my friend, hi Jinri, na nasa Australia na ngayon, happily married, used to do that.
She's a couch
Pag nag-travel
surfer.
siya. Oo. Ang couch surfing, yung makikitulog po kayo dun sa bahay ng mga hindi nyo talaga kilala pa personally. Online nyo pa lang sila makikilala.
I think you go to a country, tapos
Yes.
may site din di ba?
Yes.
Couchsurfers.com or something. Tapos,
And it's nice
since
daw,
backpacker ka, wala kang budget for
Limited yung budget.
kung sino may open couch. Of course, safety-wise, we don't know how it works.
Medyo nakakatakot siya. Parang ako...
Baka may gumapang.
Oo, hindi ako masyadong ma-adventure. So, ikaw baka kaya mong gawin yon yung couch surfing? Siguro kung single ako, pwede. Pero nakakatakot
Oo,
eh.
baka pag single ako.
Parang sa dami ko kasi napapanood ng mga horror and movies na kakatakot. Parang feeling ko, tamang hinala ko na kahit walang gagawin sa akin, baka may mangyaring di maganda.
That's
May
true.
ganon.
Pag tulog ka kasi, hindi mo na maalam kung ano nangyayari. Are you a light sleeper or a deep sleeper?
Depende.
Kasi ako, pag may konting sound, nagigising ako eh.
Depende nga.
Oo.
Of course, mas mahimbing tulog natin sa bahay talaga natin.
Correct,
Pero
correct,
pansinin nyo, pero minsan may mga bakasyon tayong kahit di mo naman bahay, nasa hotel ka or Airbnb, sarap pa rin tulog mo, di ba?
Conversely, minsan may mga hotel na kahit sobrang okay, hindi ako nakakatulog na maayos. It's just para namamahay ka.
Yes.
Hindi naman sa hindi komportable yung bed or whatnot, na medyo namamahay ka lang.
That is the
diba?
term, namamahay. Pero minsan, yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, ang hirap matulog sa bahay ng
Best
hindi
friend
mo
mo?
hindi best friend!
Sorry naman.
Yun na nga.
Yun na nga.
Papunta na tayo doon. Di ba
Oo.
kanina sinasabi ko, ang hirap kasi parang may mangyayaring hindi maganda, tamang hinala ko eh.
Okay.
Dahil doon sa mga hindi natin kilala. Pero minsan, ito kilala mo na, hindi mo pinaghihinalaan. Tapos yun pa pala yung may gagawin.
Let's get down to business. A lot of people have been requesting that we discuss this topic. It's been discussed all over social media. May mga nagre-react na rin. May mga nagagalit na rin na sinayang yung weekend namin kasi bati na kayo ngayon.
Ako, I'm happy they're okay.
Ako rin, I'm
Of
happy
course,
they're
may
okay.
mga anak yan eh.
We mentioned in one of our episodes na we've entered the wala ka na masyadong pakiira.
Yes, bala kayo dyan.
Buhay
Buhay
niya
niyo
yan.
yan.
And as much as sana hindi nangyayari masasamang bagay, diba? I hope they get to resolve it. But Andy and Philmar,
Issue.
your take. But the bigger topic here is, can you really have a best friend, quote-unquote, from the opposite sex?
Oo naman. Naniniwala ako. May mga... Platonic. Meron. Ikaw hindi?
Feeling ko pwede. Feeling ko
Parang
pwede.
di ka sigurado. Char.
Hindi, iniisip ko nga. Iniisip ko kung pwede talaga.
Oo.
No? Pero, like even me and my wife, we discussed this. Sabi niya na, for you guys to be best friends, there is some sort of probably attraction there lying underneath.
Lalim ng pinagsamahan.
Oo, could be lalim ng pinagsamahan. We know people that have gotten together kasi mag-best friends sila for a long time. I'm sure meron ka mga alam na, pag wala pa...
Nag-start as friends.
Pag wala pa tayong asawa ng 40, tayo na lang. May mga ganyan, di ba?
Sa movies lang nangyayari, pero di natin sure. Malay natin, in real life, may ganon.
May mga nangyayari.
And meron din tayong mga kakilala nag-start as friends, tas naging okay. Meron din namang nag-start as friends, nagjowaan, hindi nag-work, hindi na naging magkaibigan. Meron din namang naging magkaibigan pa rin after the relationship. Pero ito, yung issue nila is, bago dumating si Andy sa buhay ni Philmar, kaibigan na daw ni Philmar yung Girl Lalo na pinagselosan.
Who is a photographer.
Na may matching tattoo.
Yung kasi nag-trigger ng yung tattoo was recent. Did I get the story right?
Yes.
Yung tattoo yung recent. Doon nag-snap si Andy.
Oo, na parang ang dami niya nang nafe-feel. Medyo uncomfortable na before. Pero di siya nagsasalita kasi nga nirespeto niya yung relationship na meron yung asawa niya with this girl.
Does Mike have a best friend na babae?
No.
Would you be... Okay.
Am I going to be comfortable kung meron? Baka hindi. Ako to depende. Sabi ko nga, naniniwala ako na may mga platonic relationships sa opposite sex. Pero ako personally, kung yung asawa ko, yung may super duper close sa tipong sila lang manonood ng sine, magko-coffee sila together, magiinom silang dalawa lang, I will be uncomfortable. And I will tell my husband straight away na, love, kasi ganun ako. Yun yung pagkatao ko. And merong mga tao na kagaya ni Andy, I will keep this to myself. Wala naman ako nakikitang masama. Hanggang sa meron lang mag-trigger talaga na parang hindi na tama. Ako iba. Pag nakita ko agad, pag may na-feel ako na medyo uncomfy, sinasabi ko na, love, parang hindi okay.
At which
love,
point...
hindi maayos yung pakiramdam ko. Pwede bang wag yan yung gawin mo?
I agree with that, diba? But at which point, let's say I'm the guy, at which point should you act on it? Pag boyfriend, girlfriend ba, may right ka nang gumanon?
Oo naman, Sam. As long as you guys have a relationship at talagang alam mong magjowa kayo kay bago. Ako sa akin, kay bago or matagal, kay mag-asawa o hindi. Pag may nafe-feel ka na ganong pakiramdam na parang feeling mo hindi ka komportable, sabihin mo yun sa partner mo. Kasi 'di ba, kasama sa sa relationship yung communication, hindi mo pwedeng itago yun. And I think doon madalas nagkakaroon ng problema. Yung, tatago ko na lang to, okay lang naman eh. Friends lang naman talaga. Tsaka kilala ko yung asawa ko, kilala ko yung partner ko, di maglolo ko yan.
That is, I believe in that, no? Pero yun nga, saan ba nagsistem ang doubt? Like
Well, siguro
Andy,
dahil dahil opposite sex.
Is that automatically...
Sometimes it's like that, na parang means, because hello, mas komportable tayo kung ang kasama ng asawa nating lalaki ay lalaki din.
Correct,
Tama?
correct,
Right?
correct.
Ikaw ba? Babalik ko sa iyo yung tanong, are you going to be comfortable kung may halimbawa super duper close na friend si Esa? Talagang hang out, nood ng sine, dalawa lang sila. Tapos travel halimbawa, dalawa lang sila. Or biking, dalawa lang sila. Uy, sa biking maraming ganun, ha?
Oo,
may mga ganun. Oo, kasi parang minsan...
Yung amuyan ng pawis, yung pheromones na kahit sa running, ang daming, di ba, na-develop sa running. Kaya itong mga running club, di ba, minsan, hindi mo...
Sa akin kasi, kunwari sa biking, kasi yun nga po sa mga hindi nagbabike, normal yun na parang kunwari, kunyari nasa isang group kayo,
correct.
Sam, ride tayo.
Kayo na may available.
Meron akong mga girls na free pass sa asawa ko na kilala ko kasi nasa isang circle. So kunwari sabihin niya sa akin na, love, magra-ride kami ni ganito. Kahit pa opposite sex yun, okay ako.
Is it because...
Kilala mo yung tao.
Paano ko hindi ride? Paano ko sabihin ni girl, that particular girl na, no tayong sine?
Yun, medyo iba na yun. Kasi nga, I think...
So a ride is okay,
yes,
but a movie is not.
No, it's not. It's not for me, For me, ikaw. Anong okay sa'yo? Kunwari
Kasi nga yung bike, alam natin, walang pwedeng umangkas
motor ride. Papayagan ka ni Esa?
Back-ride?
Kunwari, hindi back-ride. Iba na yung back-ride.
Akala ko,
Motor na yun.
malamang hindi.
Ibang usapan pa yung back-ride. Pag back-ride, lumayas ka, be.
Meron nga po.
Kayo na, layas ka.
Meron nga po front ride eh.
Uy!
Oo, hindi.
Anong mas gusto nyo? Front ride o back-ride? Pero I mean, kunwari, ako,
Hindi, okay.
I wanna know.
Before we get to the whole awkward phase, let's discuss paano kasi kung si best friend, bago ka nag-enter frame as a girlfriend, as a wife, as a partner, magkaibigan na sila.
Diba
Kaya
yung-
daw, si Jeff o si Jasper, barkada na talaga. Barkada na kayo since high school pa lang. Hindi pa kayo ni Mike. You haven't met Mike at that time. You haven't known
So,
anything
nauna yung
about-
girl.
nauna siya.
For
You guys
me, so what?
Ang dami
Kung nauna ka.
Ang dami
Wow, ang sungit no? So what kung nauna ka?
nothing has happened between them.
Sama
Diba?
ng ugali si Chacha.
Nothing has happened between them.
Friends lang
Malalim.
talaga.
Probably
Ang dami ng pinagdaanan.
Correct.
Meron ka bang ganong friend na nauna kay Esa?
My college friends, although ngayon kasi...
Opposite sex, ha?
Yeah, oo. Ngayon, I think, na kasi, everybody has
Na
kids.
ganon level, yung talagang kayo lang, lalabas-labas sa limbawa. Opposite sex.
I guess nung college.
You know why? Because once you get married, sensitive ka dapat eh. Na parang kapag kasal ka na, there are certain things na medyo mahirap nang gawin. At hindi mo na rin dapat ginagawa. Na dapat naiisip mo kahit di sa'yo sinasabi ng asawa mo, na feel mo, hindi ko to gagawin kasi kung ako siguro ang gagawa nito, kung sa akin pala to gawin,
How would I feel?
how would I feel? Right?
So should you talk to your best friend and say, okay, now that I'm married, I have to kind of respect my...
Yung boundary na
Oo.
tinatawag.
Yun, boundary.
There are boundaries na tinatawag na kahit hindi nyo pinag-usapan ng partner mo, alam mo, ikaw na pumasok sa relationship, hindi mo na dapat ginagawa pati.
Pero may mga tanga eh. Sorry. May mga tanga na hindi alam ang boundary. Aminin natin.
Bobo sa boundary.
Oo, may mga tao, wala lang yan. Parang how many times have you heard the line? Parang kapatid ko yan.
Big
Barkada
bro.
ko lang yan.
Big bro.
Ang tawag, bro nga ang message sa'yo, bro, kamusta? Pero girl.
Bro, no? Tas
Oo, binobro
sa
ka.
dulo, alam mo na, iba
Oo. Diba? Okay, boundary. I agree with boundaries. Diba? But let's admit it, there are people, boundary is very subjective. You don't know what my boundary is from your boundary.
Iba-iba tayo ng boundaries.
Correct.
Right,
For me,
true.
sige, watching a movie is a bit more intimate.
Maganda yung sinabi mo eh. Kasi yung pag-bike ride ni Mike with opposite sex friend, okay sa akin. But with watching a movie, not okay.
Correct.
Having coffee, siguro
But
with an
they're just-
opposite friend na opposite sex na friend, okay din sa akin. But then again, dapat kilala ko talaga. Hindi to yung, alam mo, at close ko rin talaga. Yung mga ganun ko lang siguro siya papayagan.
Ito na nga nangyari nung kay Annie and Filmar.
Close niya ba yun?
Si Girlie, hindi naman close, pero sinasama naman ni Filmar sa birthday ng anak, sa mga party. Hindi
kilala na rin.
naman niya tinatago tong si Girlie. Kumbaga si Girlie is openly there. As a matter of fact, 'di ba yung parang when the news broke out, the first parang caption was "Totoo ang year of the snake." Something like that. Kasi nakita niya, she's always there. She is in the picture, but she did not know na
May tattoo.
may behind the scenes.
May behind the scenes. Na parang may issue kasi na parang pag nag-aaway sila, may sulsol. May ganun, di ba? Parang may ganyang issue.
Paki-define ng sulsol kasi parang masama pakinggan.
Sulsol!
Sulsol. Paano yun?
Oo, ito yung, hindi mo alam ang
Hindi ko alam.
sulsol. Yung parang may parang, ito, gawin mo to. Talaga nag-away kayo? Ay, naku, dapat
Break
iwan
mo
na
na
talaga
yan.
yan eh. Yan, mga sulsolero, abangers.
Ayun, abangers.
Yan.
Oh.
Babalik na, kung ganon, yung partner mo na hindi alam yung boundary, babalik na naman tayo dun sa salitang, the communication is the key. If you know that your partner ay medyo bobo or tanga sa boundary.
But it's hard to detect a bobo partner. When you're in
Or
love,
sometimes,
when you're in love,
you know, or sometimes-
the bobo is cute. When you're in love, the bobo is cute.
The bobo is cute.
Ayan,
or
nahulog mo
sometimes,
yung kape.
wait lang
You're so cute. You're so nahulog mo yung kape.
Ang ganda nung sinabi mo. Because sometimes,
Oo.
you know, bobo yung partner mo, pero dahil true love nga, love mo. Okay? I will not call them bobo. I do not believe na ang tao ay bobo. Merong insensitive.
You want me to name names? Hindi, joke lang, gago. Joke lang yun, joke lang.
Bobotante meron. Char. Pero yun nga, mas insensitive pa.
Ayoko.
Insensitive sa feelings ng partner.
Yun
Or
nga.
siguro minsan,
Kasi okay, I'll go back to your case in point, ha. Okay, meron si girlie. Tapos ang sinasabi niya, nag-aaway kayo lagi. She doesn't understand you.
Sumusulsol.
Breakan mo na yan. Does that mean she's an abanger? Or what if what was being said is, alam mo, ganito kasi yung mga girls, no? Ganito kami mga girls. Kailangan namin ng konting lambing, kailangan ganyan. What if the best friend is like that?
Alam mo, we really don't know the whole story about the
Yun
Andy
nga.
Filmar issue. Ang sa akin dito, dapat kapag nasa relationship ka, meron ka talaga ng mga bagay na hindi na ginagawa. Yung ito perfect
That's what I'm
example.
trying to define here on this
Like
podcast.
yun
where do we draw the line? Kasi nga,
Parang ang
some
hirap
people,
naman na sa partner mo pa manggaling na siya pa yung mag-i-interfere halimbawa dun sa friendship nyo. Dapat sa'yo na yun mismo na, uy, kasal ka na, may mga anak na kayo. Parang di yata proper na...
no more kissing.
Alin?
No more kissing.
Kissing with who?
Ayun nga, kasi may asawa ka na, huwag na kayo magmomol.
Hindi ka naman, in the first place, di ka talaga dapat
Hindi ka dapat
nakikipagmomol.
nakipagmomol.
Di ba? Pero alam mo, bottom line nito, ako sa nakikita ko, parehong may fault dun sa part na si Andy hindi nag-communicate. Dun sa feelings niya na uncomfortable na siya.
Are we sure about that? Or
May ganun kasi. May post. Nilagay sa stories na parang,
she should have said something?
may ganun, may nasisense na siya before, pero...
She kept it to herself.
Parang quiet na lang siya on the side, ganyan. And at the same time, si Guy naman, pakiramdam ko, medyo insensitive sa part na, yun nga, mga bagay na wag mo nang gawin, may jowa ka na, be. Naiintindihan ko na okay, bago ako dumating sa buhay mo, kaibigan mo yan. But which is more important to you? 'Di ba? Yung friendship mo sa tao na yan, na uy, uncomfy na pala yung wife mo, or yung relationship mo with your wife.
But that's what I've been trying to say.
Because once you're married,
Oh.
kasi married sila, ang number one priority mo should be the feelings
Correct.
of your wife.
I totally
not
agree.
anyone else.
I totally agree.
So pag sinabi ng asawa mong uncomfortable ako, hindi na dapat kasunod nun na iwasan mo. Dapat alam mo na yon, or hindi dapat
No
kasunod
ifs,
nun.
no buts.
Pag sinabi
No,
halimbawa,
parang kapatid ko yan. No,
pag
parang...
gumanito si Esa sa'yo, Sam, uncomfortable ako sa pag-uwi mo ng gabi. Dapat tuldok yun eh. Hindi na dapat sumunod na sabihin sa'yo ng asawa mo na, pwede sa susunod, agahan mo. Dahil sinabi niyang...
Medyo tinamaan ako doon. I'll take a moment of silence, no? On that note.
Sam, uncomfortable ako na 4 hours ka nagbabike ride.
Okay.
Dapat di ba ang kasunod nun, magbabawas ka ng konti. At you'll spend more time with her, obviously. Kasi nagsabi na siya na uncomfortable siya na puro na lang bike rides, ha?
Because there was already an issue.
Because
So,
sometimes
as a
it's
partner,
not, minsan kasi sa relationship, hindi yung tao yung problema. Minsan yung hobby ng asawa natin, ang pinagseselosa natin. Etong specific issue nila, best friend. Magmumukha pang masama yung asawa mo pag sa kanya pa nanggaling na parang iwasan mo. Dahil nga ang dating nag-i-interfere sa malalim na friendship na meron kayo. Well, in fact, dapat in the first place, 'di ba, hindi na umabot pa sa ganun kung sensitive ka lang sana.
can I give a scenario?
Okay.
Ako si Filmar. Kunyari.
Okay.
Kunyari lang, si Andy is not the surfing type. Or hindi siya malabas na type. 'Di ba? Ako, nagsisurf ako. Yun talaga yung surfing buddy ko. Siya yung lagi kong kasama. Wala na kaming tinatago. We're not hiding in, in a room or something. We're not watching a movie na madilim or anything. Everybody can see exactly what we're doing. Wala kaming tinatago.
Pure surfing lang.
Pero, alam kong hindi ka comfortable sa kanya. Pero, sino magiging surfing buddy ko? Delikado rin yung ginagawa ko. Let's say, ibabalik ko sa cycling. Diba? Meron kang isang girl na hindi komportable. Pero, would you rather have Mike cycle alone than with someone na para lang for safety or whatever reason it may be?
Pero sa'yo na rin galing. Babae na hindi ako komportable kasama ng asawa ko. Therefore, magbike ka mag-isa.
Ako, may solusyon ako dyan. May solusyon ako dyan.
Anong solusyon?
Maghanap ka ng bagong biking body.
Oh, andali, ang bait na asawa.
ganun.
Nakita niyo yun?
Ganun.
Yan ang model
hindi na kailangan-
husband.
Hindi na kailangan paghirapan ko.
Ganyan. Wag
Diba?
niyo na kaming ginagawa niyo pang quiz.
Oh, eto.
Oh.
Isa pang scenario, ha? Since dyan na tayo, ibahin natin. O, sige, running. Running
Ayan.
tayo. Running. After running, okay lang run kayo. Okay, running, cycling, same girl. Would there be a difference?
Uncomfortable ako?
Oo.
No. Sasabihin
Sabihin
ko talaga.
sabihin ni Mike, mag-run lang kami let's say, ni Trish. O, ganyan.
No. Because you know, I am uncomfortable dyan sa babae na yan. Why her?
Hindi,
Siya
sige.
lang pwedeng kasama mong tumakbo?
Kunyari si
Or
Trish. Si Trish ang comfortable cycling.
comfortable ako.
Pero ngayon, run na daw.
Pero comfortable ako
Pero
dun
comfortable ka.
kung comfortable ako, go.
Okay.
Kasi merong
Ibahin
mga-
ko na naman.
Oo.
Okay. So, cycling with Trish, okay. Kasi comfortable ka with
Oh,
Trish.
yeah.
Running with Trish, okay. Kasi you're
Yes.
comfortable with Trish. What if afternoon, nagayang kape si Trish?
Kung
Comfortable ka kay Trish.
Go. Comfortable
No
ako
problem.
No problem.
So, with that in mind, what if in the whole situation, well, Andy or this girl makes you feel comfortable? Yung pala, na-year of the snake ka na.
Nang hindi mo nalalaman.
Oo.
Well, that's on them, not on me. Basta ako, nagtiwala ako.
Ngayon, alam nyo na ha.
Diba? Pero minsan yung ito may pupunta tayo dun sa may gut feel si
Okay.
Andy.
Okay. Maganda
na
tong gut
medyo
feel.
nagkatotohanan. Ang gut feel natin, mga Mars, ang instinct natin, may mga pagkakataon talagang dapat pinagkakatiwalaan.
Walaan.
Pinagkakatiwalaan.
Pinagkakatiwalaan.
Trust your instincts, girls.
Trust your instinct.
Yes.
Ha? Ang lalaki ba?
Most of the time, it's true.
Tayo ba mga lalaki, wala tayong ganyan?
Meron ba kayo nun?
Yun nga eh.
Babalik ko sa
Kasi diba,
babalik ko sa
sabi nga
sitwasyon.
nila, the girls have this instinct. I've been hearing this so many times na
Meron
kami mga
talaga.
girls, we have this instinct kasi meron kaming spider sense, meron kaming
Iba kami, sixth sense. Char!
ang lalaki ba wala ba
Ikaw
tayong ganun?
sumagot niyan. Wala ba kayo nun?
I guess mas mahina. I don't know if it's a guy thing na mas
Mas insensitive kayo? Char!
I guess
Yung mga lalaki dito nagagalit
I
sa
guess you
akin.
could say a little bit of that. I'm
Oh,
not
see? Umami na boy sa
It's
kanya
not
nanggaling.
100% agreeing, but I guess for
Kasi lahat ng senses ng mga babae bukas.
are guys more chill?
Or are you just, okay, pagagandahin natin, mas matiwala kayo?
I guess so.
Oh, see? Mas
I guess so.
Wow.
Yung hinala, yung parang doubts.
Kayo matiwala, kami mahinala.
Correct.
Oo.
Correct. Mas parang kaya namin hindi naman. Parang i-brush off. Compared to like how girls are na parang, teka lang. Ha,
Ang dami
miss.
na namin naiisip.
Oo,
agad.
yun. The way your mind would
Complex ng mind
may
namin.
isang senaryo. Nanood ng sine. You and someone would watch a movie. Okay, ang dami na naiisip na baka mangyari to, baka ito mangyari. Ano mangyari pagkatapos, 'di ba? Compared to a guy na okay, nanood kayo ng sine.
Nanonood lang kayo.
Kahit na let's say na, sige, I'm not too comfortable with it. Pero sige, sine lang naman.
Well, aminado kaming mga babae na ganun talaga kami.
Overthinking. That's the word I've been trying to look
malala.
for. Overthinking. I think girls are more overthinker or overthinkers than guys.
Ito naman, pinapaganda pa. Oo na, mga babae, tamang hinala, tanggap na nga namin.
I'm an overthinker, but not in that sense.
Malala.
Yung pinag-iisip-
Lasing lala ng sa babae.
Hindi parang, I guess hindi masyado sa relationship yung overthinking ko.
Yeah.
When it comes to
in
work.
general yun sa'yo. Work stuff,
Correct.
ganon.
Correct. Ano
It's
mangyayari
gonna
pag ganito?
happen.
Oo.
Yan, yung
Ano na
mga
next
ganyan.
year? Ano na gagawin ko? Ganon.
Pero sa relationship, mas overthinker ang mga babae.
But I have to give it up and of course say that because my wife makes me feel secure.
Ay,
That's why I guess
you're not an overthinker.
correct.
Set up.
Kasi
And
if you-
relationships
Yes.
should be like that.
Correct.
You feel secure,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Because the overthinking comes when your partner is not secure or doesn't feel secure.
Yes. And we should not let our partners feel that.
It's not easy. It's not easy to make someone feel secure. There are a lot of things that go into it. Of course, we all
Hindi ka naman nagising, no? Secure ka na sa relationship. Walang ganon, mga B. Correct. May pinagdaanan yan.
like I said, trust is built over time. Even for you guys to become boyfriend, girlfriend at one point, from nothing, from knowing each other, yung trust na nilalagay mo, dahan-dahan yan eh. Okay, next stage, after boyfriend, girlfriend, you guys are gonna get married. There's another layer of trust that you're gonna have to put into that. Diba? Now, sometimes that trust will be not exactly broken, siguro tainted, na ay may nangyaring instance, naku po ganyan, or may naalala ka from the past, 'di ba, na ay naku may something.
Oo.
And being secure, building that trust entails constant effort. Hindi siya na okay na build na yung trust, relax
Okay
na tayo.
Correct.
Making your partner feel secure is a constant decision. It's a constant practice which you have to do if you can every day. Diba? Not just your anniversary. Now, how do you do that? There are a lot of ways to make your partner feel secure. Diba? Nandiyan yung languages of love. Diba? Different love languages.
Yes, dapat alam mo yun.
Oo. You have to also know what your partner values. So, yun nga, all these things take effort and time. So, well, going back, touch up ko na rin tong matching tattoos. Ano take mo dyan?
Matching tattoos
Was that the kasukdulan or the peak na okay shit, tama na to?
Alam mo, in fairness to
Kasi hindi nila tinago yung tattoos. As a matter of fact, may parang video pa nga sila of getting a tattoos.
I think I don't see anything wrong with the tattoo. Kumbaga napag-isip-isip siguro ni Andy sa dulo, napagtahi-tahi niya. Yung mga nafe-feel niya na awkward feeling before. Kaya umabot sa point na ang trigger niya, yung tattoo. Pero, for me kasi,
ba't pa kailangan
eto kasi yun
parang
sa akin.
i-immortalize? Ganun?
Bakit ganito yan? Parang may matching tattoo sila, kami wala. Ako yung asawa.
Good point.
Tama, mali.
Good point.
Kunwari, may opposite sex friend si Mike, na maayos, komportable yung pakiramdam ko. Never ko pinag-isipan na di maganda. And then, one time umuwi siya, nagpa-matching tattoo kami ni ganito. Kahit gaano ako komportable yung pakiramdam ko dun sa tao na yon, the fact na asawa ako na una kayong magkaroon ng matching tattoo. Lalo pa, kung okay lang din naman sa akin magpa-tattoo, bakit kayo? Ba't hindi tayo?
Good point.
Ha?
I'd have to...
sige.
Good point yun.
Umuwi asawa mo. Di ba? May tattoo na 224. Nasa noo. Nasa noo, Char. Hindi ka mababad trip? Buti sana kung umuwi siya, pinatato yung mukha mo, kanya lang.
Pwede.
Diba?
Oo.
Mukha mo yung pinatato. Pero ibang usapan yung merong silang bond na mas nauna nilang gawin.
I think that's
o yung
what-
asawa.
And it's not whether nauna or what. It's that bond na parang gaano kalalim ang bond nyo.
Mas malalim yung bonding nyo more than
Diba?
us.
Kasi
Aminin natin to, ewan ko siguro sa ibang tao, mababaw ba yung papatato? Sa akin, malalim yun. Depende
Depends.
rin sa pagtingin ng
Depends.
tao eh. Sa akin, malalim yun kasi i-ink na yun forever na yun sa katawan mo eh. So, the fact na nauna si friend, more than the wife,
or hindi lang nauna.
is an issue for me.
The mere fact na meron sila matching tattoo.
Ako to. Ewan ko sa ibang tao. Baka mababaw ba ako? Tamang hinala ba ako? Depende yon. Pero yun nga, kanya-kanya kasi tayong relationship dito. For other people, pwedeng okay yon. But for me, if I am the wife, no, I will not allow my husband to have a matching tattoo with someone.
Should he have asked for permission?
Sana.
Babe,
Yun eh.
magpapatattoo kami ni Chacha ng 224 matching. Okay lang ba? Tingin mo
Alam mo, mas
papayag ka?
ma-appreciate ko at least nagsabi, pero hindi pa rin ako papayag.
Yeah, agree.
Ako to. Pero baka yung ibang wife, pumayag.
Baka pwedeng pentel pen na lang ito.
Kasi
permanent marker.
kung guy friend, no, yun na yung sinasabi naman na naman natin papasok kasi opposite sex. Kung guy friend, parang baka di naging issue eh. Sa akin pero dahil opposite sex.
Yun nga, kung girl, di ba? Oh. Let's get matching tattoos, di ba? Okay.
Parang wala, di ba?
Okay lang. Yun nga, di ba? I was watching yung kay Alex Caliana stand-up comedy. Pag dalawang girl at siya naglalakad sa mall holding hands.
Nagdilaan ng ice cream.
Nagdilaan ng ice cream, okay lang. Diba?
By the way, Alex, congratulations. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng ano ni Alex, diba? Nasa number
Pero pag
1
dalawang
siya.
lalaki,
Parang
nagdilaan ng ice cream.
Tikman mo tong Sunday ko, Paco.
Ganun, minsan nagsusubuan pa yung mga girls, di ba?
Diba? Oo, girl. Ganyan. Oh, man. But
I think bottom line dito, Papi, no, last na lang sa akin, is, since sa pag-uusapan natin yung tinatanong mo, what if nagpaalam, what if ganito? Bottom line is, they've been together for ilang years na rin. Kung ang partner mo, matagal mo nang kasama, di ba, you should have known na rin dapat kung ano yung mga ayaw at gusto ng partner mo. Kahit pa sabihin mong, hindi niya sa akin sinasabi, but no, you've been together for a long time, di naman kahapon lang naging kayo. So, dapat you're aware kung ano yung hindi magugustuhan ng partner mo. Pero again, sabi mo nga, meron din naman mga tao na baka hindi lang talaga nila alam. That is why, pag may nafe-feel na tayo na hindi tama, sinasabi na natin agad.
Yes. Security, I'd add to that, no, as we wrap this up. Security would go hand in hand with communication. You have to let your partner know what you're okay with, what's not okay. It's not setting rules, it's boundaries. Diba? Sabi nga, a relationship shouldn't have rules. Hindi naman to may constitution. Ito bawal Ito.
Nasa saligang batas, no?
Ito pwede.
Nasa Article 11.
Wala naman, hindi ka naman titikitan ng asawang pa. Ito, 1 ticket ka na, 2 ticket ka na, ha? Naka-strike ka na. It all boils down to respect.
Amen.
Boundaries, making your partner feel secure, people you hang out with, things you do for your partner, things you do for your family at that. It all boils down to respect. Do you respect your partner? And moreover, do you respect your relationship? What you guys have? I guess that's something we have to think about when we make decisions, especially for in a relationship. Diba?
Tama.
Is this something that shows my respect to my partner? Or just shows that I respect my partner?
Or how would she feel kung gawin ko to? Yung mga
Correct.
ganun.
Diba? Being sensitive and all that. So at the end of the day, we're happy na okay na sila.
Yes, ako I'm happy. They're okay.
Pero honestly, nasayang yung 3 araw na weekend ko. No?
Nagpakaano ka?
Nakaka-investigate, no? Nasayang. Pero
At dahil okay na sila at masaya tayong okay na sila, can we just
Guess them?
Guess them?
Kala ko can
Oh, why
guess
not?
them. Ay.
I wanna hear Philmar's
Jasper, baka
side.
pwede naman i-text mo si Andy tsaka si ano.
Uy, close kayo, di ba?
Philmar. Pwede ka
Oo,
naman
baka
i-message.
naman pwede.
Oy, Jasper, bigay ko sa'yo number, ha? I-guess natin, natin ano ba talaga nangyari.
Pero bago natin tapusin tong podcast na to, Papi, at habang tinetext mo si Andy dyan, can I just say thank you to everyone na nagko-comment sa mga podcast episodes natin,
Ay, oo,
guys.
grabe.
You guys are the best. Kala nyo, ha? Hindi ko directly ma-replyan yung mga message nyo, pero nababasa ko. Meron tayong isang episode which is the Protect My Peace era.
Yes.
Tapos tinanong natin sila, sabi natin sa kanila, anong era kayo nandun? May mga sumagot. Ngayon, for this episode, I wanna know, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig, kung ano ka man, kung same-sex man yung relationship na meron ka or opposite sex, okay lang ba sa'yo na magkaroon ng super-duper close friend yung partner mo? Tapos yun nga, gagawin nila yung mga bagay na medyo ginagawa nyo rin. Watch a movie, have coffee.
No, of course,
nang
nothing,
sila lang
no
dalawa.
touchy-touchy, pero
No touchy-touchy, pero yung tropa na talagang solid, close sa close, ganong
Hindi,
level.
is that okay with you? No, I mean, that's what we're asking. Diba? Kung okay lang sa inyo yun,
Yan, oo.
sagutin nyo
Yes.
sa ating comment section.
Patingin ko lang sila na mabilis.
Go, go,
Mamanch
go.
Playlist, Ancheta John Day, HK San Juan, Kenneth Gould, Pam, Mikay Riego, Bam RG, Jaisha, Harry Mango, Ivy Joy, Stella Maria, Sandy Tillo, KG, Benzo, and a lot of you guys that are tuned in. Thank you so much.
Exactly. And of course, thank you. We've been almost over 2 weeks na sa top 10 ng Spotify Philippine charts. People have been reposting all our episodes. Thank you guys so much. We hope you have loved all our episodes so far for the year. We're coming up with more, and we're going to keep you guys posted. In the meantime, my name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.